Hello and welcome to the Awesome 180 channel. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And one of the most common questions I get asked as a habit coach is, Ashdin, what do I do about procrastination? I just can't seem to get anything done. I just keep putting things off till tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. And as we all know, tomorrow never comes. But did you know that there are actually good things about procrastination as well? And procrastination gets a bad reputation just because we love saying that word. I procrastinate, I can't do this, I can't do that. And we have that negative self-talk that plays in our head. But here are 3 reasons why procrastination as a habit is good for you. So the first one is if your job involves creativity, like a creative pursuit, like for example, my podcast that I'm creating, these videos that I'm creating. If you're an artist, sometimes procrastination helps. Because what procrastination does is that it prevents you from rushing into the first idea that comes to your mind. Instead, what happens is it allows for your mind to switch off and slowly marinate with that idea. New ideas form. Creativity is nothing but connecting one idea to another idea. So the more ideas you have in your head, the more creative you can be. And the more ideas form, the more time you give them. So one way of thinking about this is creative tasks. What you do is you spend an hour or 2 hours thinking about it right in the beginning as soon as the task is handed to you. And then what you do is you switch off and procrastinate. Then what happens is ultimately you get a very, very good solid idea because now enough thought has happened, you've connected enough dots and you can come up with something that is absolutely brilliant. So that's one way procrastination can help you if you are in a creative field. The second way procrastination helps you is if you're doing teamwork. This is the concept of what used to happen in school where we had a project work that was given to us as a group and only one person would end up doing it. Nobody else did anything. Nobody else was pushing their weight. So this is what you can do to get rid of that unfair feeling, right? When something is dependent on others to be given to you, you can procrastinate you doing it till all of them join together and actually finish it together. So many a times we have projects that come in our company that don't necessarily have to start on the day one because it's dependent on something else to happen before it starts. Very often what we do is we get trapped in this I have to start now mentality, and as a result we do it in a hurry. We kill ourselves right in the beginning even though we probably had time to finish it off, and then we're left with lots of time at the end because we did not plan it out properly. So if you procrastinate this and create a plan for your procrastination, I think it is something that is very, very useful, especially when doing projects or business projects that are close together with a lot of people. And the third way procrastination can help as a habit is when you have a task to do that is not top priority. There are other tasks that are far more higher in priority, but now you start this because you think you can't procrastinate and you have to do it immediately. Instead, what I normally tell people is figure out what is the priority of all the tasks that are there in your plan. Then you start doing the ones that are most important in order of priority and then leave what is least important for later. So this way you can procrastinate, but only if you understand the priorities of the tasks that you have. Otherwise, don't procrastinate. Very often we don't have any tasks and then we procrastinate on doing something. That is wrong. That is not what we want. We instead want to use procrastination as a tool, as a way to make us better. And it can be made better in these 3 ways. On creative pursuits, on pursuits that are with a group that you need to plan out, and tasks that have a higher priority before the one that you're about to start. So if you use procrastination in these ways, it actually becomes a good habit for you. So see, everything is neither good nor bad. It is just the way you use it. So if you like this video, please hit that like button so more people know about it and can come and watch. Share it with your friends and family. Please let's help grow this community. And if you're new to this channel, hit subscribe so you know when future videos come out. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach, and remember, awesome lives, they start with awesome habits.